Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kick up. You will go to settings as you see and you will enter. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to above and you can search about Kik. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.